Okay, in this video I want to share with you about how to make the luxury tiny house off grid with the asymmetric model. Okay, first of all we can make the rectangle in here. We can click from this position, we can type 3 meter and drag to the another side around 6 meter. Okay, and then now we can click and push it up, type 300 millimeter in here and double click and also make group. Okay, then now we can make the shaping. We can choose the rectangle, okay, and make this one, and we can push it up in here. Double click and make the middle line in here. Okay, then now we can click and select a move and click this line and just place to the position in here. Okay, anyway, we can just make the unique shaping of this tiny house in here, and then we can make the another asymmetrical position. We can click and select a move and just place the position here. Okay, then now we can triple click and just make group in here. Then now we can clear the bottom area in here, the bottom surfaces over there in here. Okay, and after that now we can assign with the color. Okay, we can assign about with the color in here, and then now we can create the glazing in here. We can create the glazing. We can offset it inside a little bit, and we can just give the frame, and then we can give the glazing, or we can just give the glazing with the blue glazing to make it more clear, and we can also give the glazing in here in this position. Then we can offset it inside in here. Okay, and then now we can select the color for the frame. Okay, and now we can assign about the glass materials with this position in here. Okay, after that now we can draw the door position. We can determine about the door position approximately in this position. You can type 2.4 meter in here and type 1.5 meter in here and move it to behind, and then you can click and also click and offset it inside, type 35 meter in here. Okay, and then now we can make the middle line in here. Okay, and offset it inside in here and offset it inside in here. Okay, we can just place this one and just select this glazing in here. Okay, and after that now we can make the another canopy, especially the canopy for the front area. Maybe we can add more glazing. We can imagine that this is for kitchen, for the mini pantry or kitchen in here. Okay, then now we can determine about the canopy in here, but we can make the line and also make the line in here and just triple click and just offset it inside in here. Okay, and make the line. Okay, then now we can push it to the another side in here, type 3 meter. Okay, I think it's large patio, and triple click and also make group in here. Okay, just like this, and then now we can make the rectangle. Okay, and push it to the another side in here and triple click and just make group. Can assign about the materials and select a move, tab control this one and type 400 millimeter in here. Okay, just like this, and we can set up about the base plane over there. Okay, and after that now we can make the frame. The frame for it, it's just for visualization. Anyway, just for visualization, we can offset it inside around 100. We can offset inside around 100 in here and make the little frame in here. Okay, we can make the dark color over there, and now we can just click, triple click and click this line in here and click this line, and we can select a move, tab control and type 60. Okay, we can assign about the materials in here on the position in here. Okay, just like this, and now we can also make the another 1 in this position in here, and we can select move, tab control, and okay, we can type 60. Okay, then just like this, and just place about the materials in here. Anyway, so you can explore more about the another frame, because it's focused on the exterior visualization and also the patio. We can type 100 millimeter in here, and again, okay, select this. Okay, and after that, now we can make the another elements like wood deck in here. Okay. Okay, we can push it to the another side, and can triple click and also make group and make the cladding panel in here. Okay, just like this, and maybe we can add more panel. We can add more panel in here and push it up in here, and push it to the another side in here. Triple click and also make group in here. Okay, we can just set up with this one, or maybe we can choose this one or this one in here. Okay, and after that, now we can make like a chair, like a simple chair area in here. We can push it up, type 500 millimeter, and click select move, tab control, and push it up a little bit in here. Okay, we can make the circle in here. Okay, we can make the curve. Okay, make group. Okay, and then now we can select the wood materials in here, and we can select move, and okay, we can just rotate this one. Okay, we can make group and assign about the materials for the mini table in here. Okay, and now we can also make like a little landscape in here. Okay, and offset it inside, and we can make group. Okay, we can select the concrete in here. Okay, we can select the landscaping and just select this one. Okay, we can type 300 millimeter in here, and okay, now we can make the plane in here. We can make the plane in here, and we can just explode. Okay, explode and explode again, and make group. Now we can scale. We can just scale one by one in here. Okay, and just move it down in here. Okay, and select a move, and just place on the position in here. And now we can just scale one by one in here. Okay, now we can put this one for the variation, for the representative situation. Okay, maybe we can just select the wood materials, especially on this top area in here. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you, so you can activate about the shadow, and again activate about the shadow with these tools to make it more representative enough anyway. Okay, maybe just like this. Okay, and now we can activate about the profiles to make it more outlines. Okay, thank you for watching. I hope this tiny house 3D modeling will help you to give the inspiration about the 3D modeling skills, and also the inspiration of tiny house design anyway. Thank you for watching, and just wait for my next tutorial.